Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Tito's Tutor, your math pedagogue. In this video, we're going to be talking about order of operation in algebra, but lesson 2. If you haven't watched the first lesson, I'll advise you to go back and watch the first lesson on order of operation in algebra before watching this lesson 2. All right, so in this lesson 2, we're going to be opening up brackets and solving an equation. So it's not expressions in this video, but equations. What's the difference between expressions and equation? Just an equal sign. An expression does not have an equal sign, but an equation has an equal sign. So we're going to be doing equations with brackets. So that means there's multiplication, there's addition, and there's subtraction. So you follow the order of operation. First example says 4, open bracket, 3 minus 5m, close your bracket, minus 7, open bracket, 5 minus 4m, close your bracket, plus 3 equals 0. As soon as you see an equation like this, the first thing that comes to mind is, can I sort out things inside the bracket? 3 is a constant, 5m has a variable, so they are not like terms. I can't. For this, I can't simplify as well. So as soon as I'm done doing that, I open up the bracket. I use 4 to open up this bracket to get 12 minus 20m, and the bracket is open. I use a negative 7 to open up this bracket. This is minus 35. Minus times minus is plus, so this is plus 28m, plus 3 is equal to 0. Now you see, there are no brackets anymore. Brackets have been opened. So it's time to collect like terms. I see 28m, I see negative 20m. I see 12 minus 35 plus 3. So all these two are like terms. So I can do 28m minus 20m minus 35 plus 12 plus 3 equals 0. I have collected like terms. 28m minus 20m is 8m. Okay? Now let's do minus 35 plus 12 plus 3. I do mine 12 plus 3 first, which is 15. Okay? So now I can do 35 minus 15, which is 20. But I look at it. The 35 is bigger and it has a negative sign, so my answer has negative 8m. And this is equal to 0. I'm going to take this to the other side. It becomes positive 20. Or I add 20 to both sides. So I have 8m is equal to 20 over 8. Divide both sides by 8 because 8 is multiplying m, and I need to get rid of that 8 because I need m to stand on its own. 8 cancels 8. M is equal to 4 here is 2, 4 here is 5. 5 over 2 is the same as 2.5. And I am done. Here is our example 2. And our example 2 says 5 open bracket v plus 2, close your bracket, plus 3 open bracket v plus 5, close your bracket, is equal to 1. First thing, we look inside the bracket. Can it be simplified? In this case, no. Then we open up the bracket with the numbers outside the bracket. 5 times v, 5v. 5 times plus 2 is plus 10. That bracket has been opened. Plus 3 times v is plus 3v. 3 times 5 is 15. They are both positive, so it's positive 15 equal to 1. Now, we collect like terms. 5v and 3v are like terms, so I have 5v plus 3v plus 10 plus 15 is equal to 1. I have collected like terms. 5v plus 3v is 8v. 8v plus 10 plus 15 is 25. Plus 25 is equal to 1. Now, I'm going to carry 25 to the other side because my aim is to let v stand on its own. So it's either, because it's plus 25, is either I subtract 25 from both sides, or I just take this over, and because it's crossing the equal sign, the sign changes from positive to negative. So I have 8v is equal to 1 is already on that side. 25 came to meet it, and I have 8v is equal to negative 24. I divide both sides by 8, so 8 cancels 8. V stands on its own, and negative 24 over 8 is negative 3. And I am done. If you're still watching till now, I want to say a big thank you to you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video, and turn on notification so you don't miss any math video that comes out of this channel. All right, here is our example 3. It says 3 open bracket 6 plus 7y close your bracket plus 2 open bracket 1 minus 5y close your bracket equal to 42. First thing, check if you can simplify. No, you can't. No, you can't. Then you open up with the number outside the brackets. Starting from the first bracket, 3 times 6 is 18, plus 3 times 7y is 21y. 2 times 1 is plus 2, and 2 times negative 5y is negative 10y equal to 42. I have opened up the bracket. No more brackets. Now it's time to collect like terms. 21y minus 10y are like terms, so I group them together. Plus 18 plus 2 are also like terms. I group them together, and that is equal to 42. Now, 21y minus 10y is 11y. 18 plus 2 is 20, and that's equal to 42. Now I have 11y. I take 20 to the other side, it becomes minus 20. So I have 11y is equal to 22 over 11 over 11. Y, because 11 cancels 11, over 11 over 11, because 11 cancels 11, 11 over 22, 11 here 1, 11 here 2. So my y is equal to 2, and I am done. If you learned something and you love this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.